with a magnetic lock. Let me show you around it a little. This is the front. And there's the door. You can't open it yet. It's locked. Now for the rest of the house. Here's one side. Here's the back. And here's the other side. I'm gonna show you how to unlock this lock. You have to take a magnet, which is why it's a magnetic lock. You can see that it's already sticking to the paper clip that's there. Now we have to move it to the side a little. And yes, the door is open. Now you can go inside of the house. This is the thing that was keeping the door closed. There are little paper clips inside, which is what makes it magnetic. And this is a thing, so it won't fall out. There's another one of these holders inside, so it will stay shut and not fall open. That's it. Bye!